Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable Zip extension in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So first of all, open your website Cpanel and inside of the search box search here PHP and then click on PHP peer packages and inside of the search box search here Zip and click on go. So here we can see the module name archive Zip. So now we need to install this Zip from here and it started to install. So here you can see it's completed. Then click on go back and module list. Here we can see archive Zip has been successfully installed. So this is how we can enable Zip extension in Cpanel. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmin it. Thank you for watching.